all share in the feast. Red-capped Mangabeys. The alpha male investigates. Others stay on the ground and get ahead of the Mangabeys. And then some quietly climb into the trees. The trap is set. The leader charges. Some hunters return to the forest floor to prevent their prey from coming to the ground. In panic, the monkeys flee directly towards the chimps waiting in ambush and are caught. The chimps, young and old, females and males, all share in the feast. Teamwork has won and is rewarded.